Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we'll see the complete unboxing of Lifelong Gas Cooktop. We'll see everything that is included in the box that comes packed. First of all, let's cut this box and see what all contents come as standard, and then we'll see how the cooktop actually looks like. So let's do the unboxing. I just removed the tapes to open up the box, and now let's see what exactly the product looks like, and is it good, is it bad? You can share your opinion with me in the comment section below. And what we see inside is a black colored, nicely wrapped gas cooktop. Yeah, some of the thermocol is broken, but that's the actual purpose. The thermocol sheets, they protect the product from breaking or from uneven jerks during the transport process. So let's take this out and see what's there. And first of all, let's just remove this box from here so we can have the clean table and we can have a look at the product itself. So here we have the device, and let's see how it looks in reality. But all we have to do is we have to first of all remove these packaging stuff, the thermocol and the plastic. So then only we'll be able to have a clear view of the glass cooktop that we just ordered. So let's remove this. We need to remove this one as well so that we can have a clear view. And it is like since it is well packed, so everything is so tight and it takes little time to get it removed. And some of the pieces are not at the right place. Let's just remove the plastic first and then I'll show you. uh, okay, so when we remove the plastic and we see a nice black colored glass cooktop, and we see some of the stuff is not at the place where it should be, and here's the uh, user manual, which you can read and see how exactly you can configure the glass cooktop. And some of the pieces that I just mentioned, one of them is in the plastic bag itself. So let's just fix the burners first, because they are any which ways they are removable, so it doesn't matter if they are out of the place. And there's a small booklet or a user manual as well, which you can see, and there's a warranty card, because it comes with 6 months extended warranty as it reads, and there is 2 years of warranty standard, which comes with this lifelong glass cooktop. Let me just turn it around and see how is the front look. What you see is a decent looking glass cooktop, and it is so clean that you can see the bulb lighting up, or the reflection of the bulb. And the knobs, they come with little red accents over them, and otherwise it is completely back with the white branding which reads lifelong. I hope that works lifelong. And as I mentioned, like, it comes with the 2 years of warranty. So in case if there's any problem, you can anyways contact the customer support team to like get any kind of help, or any kind of manufacturing defect issue fixing. And then there's a pipe, and this is how the basic look is all about, from each and every angle that you see. And after that, we'll just rotate it and see from the different angle. Okay, these are the knobs, the beautiful knobs with little red accents. They look really nice. And the burner, this is like little clean and some decent look. And other than that, if you compare with the steel burners, this is compact. If you compare in reality, you must be having one at your home. So if you compare the size, they are really compact and they look nice. They occupy less space, so they're more usable also. However, I'm not very sure about the toughened glass, how long it will last, but yes, it will. And let's see the flame itself. This is how it looks, or in the double, and then the single also I'll show you. Okay, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching.